Hello everyone, this is Sarah David working as an assistant professor in Athena Institute of Nursing, Bangalore. Today I am going to tell about the autism disorder that has been affected in the children nowadays. So now the parents are more worried about the children. The disease is most prevalent among the children, that is a behavioral disorder that is called as autism. So now we are going to see what is the meaning of autism. So autism is nothing but it is derived from the Greek word autos, means self. Here, what is self? Here the child will be self-centered. He will not think about the other people, other society. He will be always self-oriented towards him, always keeping him all alone, and he will not be having the social communication with others. He will be self-oriented and he will not have any communication with the society. He wants to be all alone and he don't want to be in the group, or he don't want to communicate with any social interactions will not be there. And now see what causes and what makes autism. What are the causes of autism? The first one might be a genetic factors, and the second one is the environmental factors. Mainly what happens in the genetic factor, like chromosomal disorder like Down syndrome or the Fragile X syndrome, are the causes for the genetic factors. And the second one is the environmental factors like advanced age of the mother, or any complication during the birth of the baby, or any birth defects, or any low birth weight babies might be the causes of the environmental factors that causes autism in the children. So now we see what are the signs and symptoms or the clinical features of the autism. The first, the child will be having the motor difficulties. Second, the autistic aloofness. Third one is the gaze avoidance, that is lack of to maintain eye-to-eye contact, and communication difficulties and repetitive behavior. Example, hand flapping. So this child will be doing repetitive behaviors, lack of communication and motor difficulties. So these are the common signs and symptoms will be in the autism kit. And now we see what are the treatment modalities and what is the management for autism. The first management is the behavioral programs, and the second one is the education and learning programs, and third one is through the pharmacotherapy, that is medications, and fourth one is other therapies and medications, other treatments like special schooling for the kids with autism, and the special counseling session for the parents and the children, and the special speech therapies for the kid with autism, and the special programs and treatment and the therapies like speech therapy, and the counseling session for the parents and the children, and special schooling for the kid with the autism disorder. So these are all the management we do for the autism children. Autism is not a disease, it's another way of seeing the world and seeing the children in a different spectacular way. They're identifying their own strength, identifying their own skills, and bring back their skills and their strengths to the normal life. Thank you. I hope you all understood this topic of autism. Now the admissions are open for the academic year of 26 and 27 at the Athena Institute of Nursing, Bangalore. Thank you.